So the really exciting part that I'm super amazed and can't wait to participate in is the Mugs of Merriment. So that is going to be November 30th at 5 p.m. to 6:30, and it's going to be a ton of people. Restaurants are coming in and showcasing a particular hot drink. So Rezaz is going to be showcasing our Wassail. Wassail is a really old family tradition recipe that's been passed down through generations in my step family, and my stepmother graciously gave it to me, and I've tweaked it just a little bit to make it a little bit more Mediterranean. So we have some dried limes, we have cardamom pods, we take whole oranges and stud them with cloves, and then a combination of apple juice, apple cider, and cranberry juice, and we just kind of let that simmer and simmer and simmer, and it is just like a delicious Christmas in a cup. So this is something that we have all season long. It starts in the fall and goes until winter, and we're going to be showcasing this at the Mugs of Merriment November 30th, starting at 5 o'clock until supplies last.